Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change workspace in BricsCAD. So you can, as you already know, you can switch between workspaces like drafting, modeling, BIM or mechanical. These change your ribbon, toolbars and panels to match your specific task. So, okay, I'm right now in my uh, own created workspace. So I will show you first how I would change right here my workspace. So let's get straight into it. Now here I will go to the left side where you see this house icon and mechanical browser and so on. And I will somewhere here click with right button on my mouse like so. And this small menu will appear. And right here we can see workspace. So here are these workspaces that we can choose from. When you click on some workspace, for example, I will go toolbars classic because I will then continue where you can change this workspace. So now we are in workspace toolbar, as you can see. And as you can see right here at the top left corner in this section here, you will see this toolbar classic. So if you just press right here, you will again see these different workspaces. And from here, obviously now you can go to modeling, for example, and so on. Right here in this modeling workspace, you will see at the top here in this toolbar at very top you will see this window visual style control, and you will see now here some options also that you can use here in this specific workspace. Now again, if I want to change, I just go here to the left, click on the right. Basically you can do that wherever you want, not here in this area, but on the left or on the right side you can select something different workspaces, and this is basically it. You can jump to workspaces as you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it is, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.